Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm here to show you my Hugs for Happiness that I made for the month of May, and this is hosted by Crojo Corner. I will link her video plus the tutorial for these little guys in my description box down below, where she explains the Hugs for Happiness program. And these are going to some cancer patients, and these little guys are so much fun to make. And she shows you how to do this and the heart, but these are my own little hearts I made. So there you go. And I just took some worsted weight yarn, and I had some eyes in my stash, and I just glued them on there. Little fuzzies. These are great stash busters. I believe she is doing a giveaway on this for one of her planners that she creates. So I'm excited to send these off again. So I'm going to link everything down below. She also has this paper here that you can print out. It's just a file, and you can print it out, and then you cut these out and put them in your packaging. So what I thought I'd share with you today is we're going to cut these out, and we're going to package them and get them ready to be sent off. So 1 second. I forgot to read the poem to you guys. It says, "I'm a hug made just for you, just to hold me when you're feeling blue. Please put me in a special place, and I will put a smile on your face." I thought that was a beautiful poem. So we're going to get these ready to go. I'm getting this ready to go and mailed off. I do hope you go check out her video tutorial, her channel, and the charities that she does all the time. I'm so glad that I'm able to do this for her. And so please go check her channel out. I will link everything down below. And you all take care and stay safe. And as always, God bless. Bye.